Okay, well, if you didn't already watch part 1 and 2, you're insane. Whatever. Just go watch them before you watch this part, because this is the final chapter. The story's still getting processed. We don't quite know. Okay, we're just filming this for the police. Hey, why do you have my voice? Oh yeah. Okay, I'm the main attraction here. You, get out. If you haven't, blah, 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 whatever Dog Day said over there. If you haven't watched the chapters before their police, go watch them. Please, we need all this evidence to arrest whoever the heck is doing this stuff and making this weird robot thing. I don't know, it's so confusing. But please, police, watch the other chapters, get all your evidence, and enjoy. Okay, final thing. I'm sorry. I'm so freaking sorry. Hope you enjoy. Better freaking enjoy. Wow. Okay, I lied. Those dragon dudes, yeah, they weren't much use to us. We just kind of went our separate ways. I'm pretty sure they're going to Alaska for some reason. I don't know why they like Alaska. They're cold-blooded, but skippity bop up to it, High-End Man. Well, that weirdo dude probably died in that fall, didn't he? That weird Huggy Wuggy dude? No, the weird endoskeleton thing or whatever. That weird skeleton. Oh, technical problems. Sorry, police. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Oh, more technical problems. Okay. Lots of technical problems. Sorry, police. We're filming this kind of cheaply. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, he must just be gone, Yeah, whatever. We're free. They have broken me before. They must die now. They must die. What can I corrupt? Oh yeah, and also like and subscribe. Whatever, skippity bop up to it. Wow! Dang, that was a long landing. Agreed. Whatever, let's just enjoy the nice moment of quiet for once in our lives. Well, once in, just like whole 5 days or whatever. Yeah, you're right, whatever. Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. I just, for some reason, feel like something bad's gonna happen. Foreshadowing. Whatever. Sean, wait, why do those rocks seem to be... Oh, God, that wasn't relaxing sleep at all. Why do I always get this bad kind of luck? Agreed. Oh, wow, it's dark in here. It is. How do we get out? Beats me. Let's just think. Oh, my legs and blues, beluga. Oh, God, what was that noise? Get down. Okay? Believe me, you want to get down right now. Okay. Oh, God, that's the weird skeleton dude that we have to put a cross on. Yep. And he's in one of these very stuffed animals we're stuck in. Oh, God. Sounds horrible. Getting pushed into a stuffed animal. No, he's not pushed into the stuffed animal, you idiot. He crawls into them and then acts them and becomes them. Oh, sorry. You could have gotten us killed. You gotta shush. Okay. Holy wiggle. To get up. Huggle wug. No. Oh my God, that was close. We gotta get out of here, okay? Agreed, obviously. We already agreed on that. Let's go! Shoot. Oh, technical problems, police. Technical problems. We're gonna back up. Okay, sorry, police. We're gonna watch this.
Hugga wugga lugga wuggy. Hugga wugga lugga wuggy. Hugga wugga lugga wuggy.
Uh-oh.
Hugga wugga lugga wuggy.
Well, that dude is deaf. You didn't hear him do that. Oh, relax.
Hugga wugga lugga wuggy. Hugga wugga lugga wuggy. Hugga wugga lugga wuggy.
Oh, God. I'm stuck here, aren't I? Yep. No catnap in sight. Just me and my annoying sickness of having to slurp everything up in my nose. So sucks. Wugga, 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 wugga. Oh no. Is he behind me? Tell me, please. Tell me, Bill. check if I'm going right now and he's okay. Woogly googaloo. Oh no, I'm completely tucked. Catnap! 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 Dog day! Dog day! Doogity-doog! Don't call me that ever again! Fine, doogity-durg. Shush! Whatever. We're so screwed. Our channel has evolved so much from the first Catnap Gamers party to actually a real bad thing happening to us. Wow, that Catnap Gamers party. Half of it was planned. Like Huggy, like Glitchy Huggy Wuggy's ending and everything. But we just put Crafty Corn in because it was better for content. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be quiet. Ooglig wigglig. I still feel like he's right behind me. It's just a really eerie feeling. Do you understand? Do you understand my feeling? Wiggly googly. Oh shoot! Ah! No. I heard dog day, but looks like we're like 16 feet of pure stuffed animal apart. Doesn't seem like I can exactly get to him. I feel bad for Dog Day. Having a sickness. It's gonna make more noise. I can't think of anything that can make us safe. What the heck was that noise? Totally not my dad sneezing. Nope, not my dad sneezing. Okay, back to the real plot. We're so screwed. Wugga wugga huggala! Wugga leg hugga leg! Oh no, I'm cornered. And he's coming. He's coming quick. Wait. This Huggy Wuggy piece feels loose. Maybe I can get him to ram into it. Wugga lugga gala! Oh my god, it worked! I'm free! Now I just gotta find Catnap. Sorry for the bad cut, but I just had to cut the camera really quickly, like it was urgent. I just had to get out of there before Glitchy Huggy Wuggy found me again. Oh yeah, speaking of Glitchy Huggy Wuggy, he should be here by now. Oh, that felt good. Whatever. By the way, my voice actor is actually sick, so that burp was real. These things are all randomly timed and whatever, so even if it's at the worst moment, we're gonna have the same thing happen, okay? I hope you said okay. Whatever. Let's check on where the heck Glitchy went. Well, that answers our question. Whoa. Dang it, that angle is hard to get. Technical problems. God, that was hard to lift up. Whatever. Well, that huge secondary avalanche was ridiculous. It's good to breathe again. Gosh. Wait, Catnap! Doggy! We're back together. What happened to Glitchy? Should we still be worried about him? Nah, he fell in a big ditch. And that avalanche you were just talking about, I overheard, whatever. Dropped on him and he died. And he fell in the same pit that Big Head Huggy Wuggy fell in. Yeah, I don't know. That one reminded me of Dolly. Can you not bring up FNAF Secret of the Mimic? Sorry, as a part of Poppy Playtime. It's kind of weird saying another mascot horror game. Whatever. Fine. Whatever. Like, whatever. Yeah. Oh. Let's go. Wow. Oh, God. Ow. That was weird. That time we just fell over. Yep, instead of flying away like we normally do. Wait, if we can fly, can't we just fly? Come on, fly. Fly. Wow. Dang, we have really bad long breaths, but seems like we can only fly when we say wah. And it's the end of a scene, so guess we're about to end this scene. Whatever. Wow. I'm so sorry that we've been forgetting to do this part, but let's do it now. Hey, why do you have my voice? Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry we haven't done this for so long. But let's get back into the old hobby. I meant, whatever. If you haven't already, could you please like and subscribe? Continue. Ba-na-na-now.